I am worthy of everything good in life. I have the power to create positive changes in my life. I am surrounded by love and positive energy. I choose to focus on what I can control. I am grateful for the abundance in my life. I am capable of achieving my goals. I am open to new and wonderful opportunities. I trust the process of life. I have the strength to overcome any challenge. I am constantly growing and learning. I am proud of who I am becoming. I am full of potential and creativity. I radiate confidence and self-respect. I am resilient, strong, and brave. I am in charge of how I feel, and I choose happiness. I am calm, centered, and in control of my thoughts. I am at peace with my past and focused on the present. I am worthy of respect and acceptance. I am deserving of all the love and happiness life has to offer. I choose to let go of fear and embrace positivity. I believe in myself and trust my inner wisdom. I am proud of my progress and excited for my future. I attract positive energy and surround myself with it. I am capable of creating the life I want. I am grateful for each new day. I have the power to change my story. I am at peace with myself and my journey. I believe in my abilities and my worth. I am surrounded by people who support me. I am grateful for the lessons life teaches me. I release all that no longer serves me. I am confident in the decisions I make. I choose peace over worry and trust in my journey. I am deserving of all the success and joy that come my way. I am open to growth, love, and abundance. I am worthy of my dreams and capable of achieving them. I am stronger than my challenges and fearless in facing them. I am a magnet for positivity, happiness, and kindness. I am grateful for the support and encouragement in my life. I am worthy of investing in myself. I radiate positive energy and attract it back to me. I embrace my uniqueness and value my individuality. I am constantly attracting opportunities for growth and success. I trust myself and my intuition. I am surrounded by abundance and prosperity. I am enough, just as I am. I choose to think positively and create a wonderful life. I am grateful for every experience that has shaped me. I am in harmony with the universe. I am proud of my journey and excited for what's to come.